23 मेंस में 3 questions on Indian heritage and culture. Explain the role of geographical factors towards the development of ancient India. ये सीधा NCERT का question है. Your R.S. Sharma at the back certain questions are given. Geographical settings, this is the chapter's name. वहाँ पर ये question दिया हुआ है, right? So that means it was answerable from your simply NCERT reading. When you talk about Vedic society's main feature, this is also quite decent question which you could find in your NCERT or basic notes, right? ये जो क्वेश्चन है दिस इज चैलेंजिंग. अब क्या पूछा? अगेन डायनेस्टी पूछी. व्हाट डिड दे आस्क? सल्तनत पीरियड में व्हाट हैव बीन द मेजर टेक्नोलॉजिकल चेंजेस. अब आप मेरे से पूछोगे मैम टेक्नोलॉजी और कल्चर का क्या रिलेशन है ना? यस और नो? सो व्हेन यू talk about Indian art and culture, you only look at from a very limited perspective, art form, literature, architecture. But जैसे मैंने बोला, if you look at the syllabus में एक heading है Indian heritage and culture. What is heritage? Heritage is a legacy that is carried down from generations to generation. So it's not as if the technological changes that happened or whatever things had been done in ancient time period or medieval time period, we are not carrying forward. We are. So whatever economy or technological changes also that happened, that led to some heritage which passed on to different phases of history and generations. Is it not? तो ये वाले एस्पेक्ट भी यूपीएससी पूछ रहा है.